Just walking out of the RockLusions show, and yep, it's a rain delay.
Hi!
Hi! Oh, it scared me. Oh, I feel bad. I opened the doors and walked out and hit people. But at least they're playing some Beastie Boys. I'll take that. I don't know if they ever played Beastie Boys in the park. I don't know. Because you gotta fight. Ow! Don't twist my nipple. Oh, what's in here? Oh, Flash Pass Center. I was like, do they just have a little room? So yeah, it's about 5:45 and it's pouring. Great magic show. Just did the one video. Got to meet Jason and Amanda at the end of the show. That was awesome. Got some pictures. But yeah, we're in a little rain delay. Need to go to the bathroom.
Every day is too close.
It's not that bad. Careful standing here. We're gonna get hit by the door. Someone's gonna open it and bam. So yeah. I feel bad for the school groups that are stuck here and can't go home.